2012 Ford Focus. Came for diagnosing the engine noise, whining and the grinding noise from the side of the engine, and from the middle of the engine also there was some sorts of sound. And I just treated the oil and flushed the oil. It became now good, and I still got some grinding noise from the side of the engine. And when I was looking, I saw the idler pulley. I greased up. This one looks good now, should be good. And I took out the alternator. This is the new one and this is the old one. Old one sounds grinding. New one, no noise. Old one, grinding. New one, no noise. This was the main source of grinding sound. Yeah, this is Mr. Kadam trying to get fixed.